Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. Today I'm going to show you all how I style my short natural hair on a normal day. If you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. I love you all so much. So this is the before the process. The first thing I'm going to do is to pour water on the hair because the gel that I'll be using in this video works better when the hair is down. So this is what my hair used to look like before I woke up one morning and decided to cut everything off. And I did that because my hair was breaking at some point. The front was really long and then the back was so short. So this is my spray bottle. It's empty at the moment. This is what I'll be using. I'll also pick up a sachet of water and pour it inside the spray bottle like this. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you guys a couple of oil products that works perfectly for hair growth. So the first one is the sweet almond oil. This works perfectly if you want your hair to grow well. The second one is the onion oil. I'm just going to pour all of these inside the spray bottle. And then the third one is the hair growth essence oil. If you want your hair to have a very massive and a nice growth, use this particular oil. The fourth one is the tea green oil, also part of hair growth. And then the last one is the castor oil. We all know about this particular one. If you want to reduce breakage, use this particular oil. So these are the oils that I'll be using in this particular video, and I'm going to pour all of it inside the spray bottle. First off, I'll pick up one oil and pour it into the cap like this. Do not use too much, just a little amount of it and you're good to go. So I'm going to pour each and every oil into the spray bottle like this until I am good. So once you're done, you want to cover the spray bottle and then shake it all over so that everything circulates, the water and the oil. So this is me pouring the water all over my hair because I want it damp as well before I go ahead with my gel. And like I said, the hair comes out better when it is moisturized, when it is wet. Trust me guys, when you do this every morning and evening, you will have a very nice hair growth and the breakage will definitely reduce. So this is the hair pomade that I'll be using, and this is from Dax. It reduces breakage and just gives me a very nice hair growth and texture. So I'm going to pick up a little amount of it and then rub it all over the hair like this. Make sure that you're moisturizing into the scalp. That was not enough, so I had to go in with another batch of the oil all over my hair again. So after that, I'm going to spray the hair again just to keep everything moisturized. So right now I'll pick up my hair gel, and this hair gel is an eco styling gel, and in Nigeria I got it for 4,000 naira. If you're watching this in the future, if you're lucky enough, the price wouldn't have gone so high. That is if you're lucky enough, especially if you're in a place like Nigeria where the prices of things do not really go down. It keeps on increasing and increasing and increasing. So I'm going to pick up a little amount of it and then rub it all over my hair. And then for the hair gel, outside the country, I really do not know how much it's been sold. This is actually 2023, so I don't know how much it's been sold, but in Nigeria this goes for 4,000 naira. Like the whole of this bottle goes for 4,000 naira. So I'm going to pick up a little amount of the hair gel and then pick some strands of my hair, not too big and not too small. Rub the gel on the strands of the hair that I have picked and then coil everything together like this. Coil it until you're seeing the effect coming out real good and nice. So this is what I'm going to do all over the hair. I'm actually going to curl the front to the middle of my hair. I don't want it all the way to the back, so I'm just going to curl from the front to the middle of my hair. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. The rest of the video is basically detailed until it's necessary for me to come back again. So just to add, when you discover that your hair is drying off, just add the products in your spray bottle, just spray it all over your hair, and everything becomes moisturized and wet again. Okay, so I'm just about done curling my hair at this point. I'm going to pick up the spray bottle again and then spray the products all over my hair, because the curls come out better with water and hair loves water. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to brush the rest of the hair just to slick everything down, just so that everything looks neat and nice. So after that, I'm going to part the side of my hair. This is actually the second time that I'll be cutting my hair after the first one that I initially showed you guys. The second one was me parting it by the side and then making the middle a little bit full while the sides a little bit lower. I don't know what that is called these days though, but I used to know it as punk style those days. So this is what the finished look is. I do hope that you loved this video. I do hope that you enjoyed it and you learned something from it, and I pray and hope that when you do yours it comes out better than mine. Please do subscribe to my channel. Like, what are you waiting for? If you've not turned on your notification button, please do that so that each time I post you get a notification and you'll be the first to know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.